What is your favorite color? Let's sing our song. Do you remember it? Let's sing it. Let's find out what our favorite colors are. What is my favorite color? What is your favorite color? You know my favorite color is purple. And yours is? Let's find out. Let's find out. Let's find out. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. Now tell me, what is yours? Oh, wait for this part. Is it blue? Is it yellow? Is it black? Is it red? Is it orange? Is it purple? Is it green? Is it brown? Is it pink? All the colors of the rainbow. Now tell me, which one, pretty please? Tell me, your favorite color is? Ooh, your favorite color is? Okay, your favorite color is? Thank you for sharing with me. Your favorite color is? Your favorite color is? Okay, your favorite color is? Thank you for sharing with me. Thank you. Can you see the letter O? O is for orange. Orange is a fruit. Now, let's color a letter O orange, just like the color of the fruit. Are you ready? Let's do it. If you already have your flashcard, then join me color the letter O orange. If you don't have it, that's okay. Watch me color the letter O orange. If you don't have it and you would like to have yours, then go over to my flashcards video to download it. Check the description box below. I'll leave a link in there so you can create all 26 flashcards. Now let's color our letter O orange. It is. Our letter O is orange. This is the big letter O, and that is the small letter O. O is for orange. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter O. I will see you next time.